Yep, Redneck Mike here, and I'm back to do a little video here on how to make one of these. You take two magazines and you put a magazine connector on them. Pretty simple. Notice there's a flat side, which is this side, and then this side has a groove in it. And the magazine has a flat side and a groove side. Groove side, flat side. So what you do is you unscrew these. I'm just going to take these all the way off. So there's your flat side. And you want to keep them, let's say, 1.5 inches out. Put that in back on, you take the nut, you put it back on the screw on the first one. There's only one tool you need for this job, and that's a screwdriver. You may need a pair of pliers, I never use them. Anyway, once you get that on there, like I say, you got to leave them about 1.5 inches out so they can go in the gun properly. Maybe a little more. You can readjust them later, however you want to do it. But I'm just kind of giving you the way I do it. So anyway, once you get your first one on, you don't want to over tighten it, but tighten it up with your screwdriver just a little bit. So it don't flop around on you. Then you take your second one, same thing. And you take it completely apart. Like I showed you before, flat side goes on the flat side of the magazine. The one with the V in it goes on the V side. Actually, the backbone of the thing takes that part. So then you slide that together, get them kind of how you want them. Start your nut. Take your screwdriver, your one tool, and tighten it. Now remember, these are plastic, so don't over tighten them. You want them tight, but you don't want to get crazy. So both screws should end up on the inside. Looks good to me. Check your other screw. good to me. Okay, let's give her a test and see how she works. There's the one I already had. Can't have too many of these. So in she goes. And as you see, you have plenty of clearance room here. And the reason for these is when you're done shooting, you can take it out, flip it around like that. And then you got 30 more rounds. So there's your video on how to make magazine connectors, or banana clip connectors, some people call them. But that's how she's done right there. And that's on the sar-1 ak-47. So anyway, this redneck mic, and I'm going to put some bullets in these. And that's a 7.62 by 39. These are hollow points. And we're going to put these babies in there and see what happens. So, like I said, when you're done, you're going to end up with a product like that. Just like the one we put in the AK. And thanks for watching.